Hi, everyone. Today, we're going to see how to embed the waitlist in your website. So you can display the website and the wait list and everyone waiting for service on any web page that you want. And then display that web page either in the waiting room online on your website, post a link to that website or the web page so you can keep patients up to date with how long they have to wait. So to get started, we're going to look at this example over here. And then in the settings area under the website snippet, we have several different options. After you enable the website snippets over here, you can either create a snippet for allowing your patients to join a line on their own to self-check-in, or to allow them to set a future appointment in a specific time and date to make a reservation or booking. And this last snippet over here is to see everyone waiting in line. So if you enable it, you can email the snippet to yourself like that. And then once you got the snippet in your email, you just need to add it to your website. So I'm using Wix, but this works very well on pretty much any other website platform that holds your website. What you want to do is to pick up the snippet from your email and paste it into your website platform like this. This is a snippet that you're going to get, something very similar to that in your email. And one thing that's very important to note over here, that these are the different columns that you can choose from. So you can have all of these, or you can remove some, or you can comment on this video below the video and ask me for other types of data or information about the patients waiting in the wait list. And we can make modifications for you guys. So let's say I want to show all of those, and I click Update over here. And now there's nobody waiting in line. So if I go back into the line and I add myself to the line, wait in line to get served right here, already we can see the new patient added right there, and how long I have to wait in line when I was added, and so on. So I got a bunch of information over here. Now, this doesn't look too pretty. So one thing that we can also do is add some styling. Obviously, we can't give you the styling because each website is different and we don't know which style you prefer. But I'm going to give you an example here to how to change the styling. So edit code, and above the snippet, I'm just going to add a styling code. It says style over here, and it styles tables and table rows, table headers, all of the different styles that a nice table would have. And this is just an example that you get off the internet. And you can have your own style, obviously, or you can ask in the comments below how to style your own table. So once I have updated the style, now my table looks like this. All right? I want to make sure that you also see that if I add an additional patient to wait for service, it will look like this. So the raw colors are alternating, so it looks a little bit nicer. Now, I'm going to publish this so anyone that goes into my Place in Line webpage can see everyone waiting in line. So you can expose this information to anyone that you want based on the permissions that they have to your web page and the patients that are joining the line and getting added or removed from the line. Let me add another one patient over here. And also, if you don't want to show some of these columns and you want to omit them, it's really easy. You just go into the code and these different keys and labels over here, you just remove the ones that you don't want. Let me just remove half of them just to show you that I can. So now I have these three remaining updated, and I have a much smaller table with only 3 columns like this. but it also gives you a good amount of information that's very useful with the expected serve date, who it is in the position line, and if I publish this, I get a pretty good display on my web page. Just refresh this. This is a good start for a report that you can show your patients either in the waiting room on your website before they choose to join a waiting list. And it has a lot of value also to show your internal employees serving the different patients coming into your dental office. So that's basically how you work with that last code snippet over here. Please subscribe, share with your colleagues, and ask me anything in the comments below, and we'll have some more videos for you fairly soon. Thank you and have a great day.